Hello friends, welcome to DCS Learning. In this video, we will discuss about the syllabus of OPSC Mains General Studies Paper 1 and Paper 2. So, first is History of Modern India. History of Modern India includes History of India since 1857, important personality who shaped the freedom movement in Odisha in India, social reforms movement in Odisha in India. So remember friends, in the history of modern India, these things are included. So in OPSC mains, you will not get questions from ancient India or medieval India. You will get question only from modern India. So remember this point. Now second is Indian culture. Indian culture includes Indian culture from ancient to modern times, temple architecture of Odisha, and socio-cultural development of Odisha. So from ancient and medieval, you only have to read about the culture, about the Indian culture. You need not to read about the history, just you have to read about the culture of ancient and medieval along with the modern culture. So this is very important. Now in geography of India, in the geography section, you will get physical, economic and social geography of India, then physiography and drainage system of Odisha, and in the third part you will get natural resources like water, forest and mineral of Odisha. This is from geography section. Now from Indian polity section, you will get questions from constitutions and political system of India, and government and politics and Panchayati Raj institution of Odisha. So these are questions from polity. Then social issue syllabus includes current national issue and topics of social relevance, that is first one is demography and human resource development, behavioral and social issue and social welfare problems like child labor, gender inequality, adult literacy, rehabilitation of handicap and other deprived section of society, drug abuse, public health, education and unemployment. Next one is legal and environmental issue. In legal and environmental issue, you will get questions from human right, corruption of public life, communal harmony, protection of minority, internal security and related issues. Next, environmental and ecological issues like ecological preservation, conservation of natural resource and natural heritage, then role of national institutions, their relevance and need for change. So these were the questions that you will get from general studies paper 1. Now let us see the general studies paper 2 syllabus. The first one is India and the world. That means this is international relationship. So first will be foreign affairs. Second is external security and related matter. Third one is nuclear policy of India. And the fourth one is Indian abroad, means the diaspora, Indians diaspora. In Indian economic session, you will get planning, economic development, economic reforms, development of corporate sectors in India, then RBI and its roles and functions, then economic and trade issues of India, foreign trade, role and functions of IMF, World Banks and WTO. Then from Odisha economic section, you will get development during post-reform period in Odisha and regional disparities in Odisha. So these were questions from economic section. Now let us see international affairs and institution. So these are mainly current affairs, important events in the world affair, that is current affair, that you will get from newspapers. Then second one is international institutions like UN, United Nations, International Labour Organization, European Union and SAARC, that is South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation, then WHO, that is World Health Organization, and at last ICJ, that is International Court of Justice. So from these six institution you will get questions, not outside from this, only from these six questions, six sections. Now next is development in the field of science and technology. From science and technology you will get questions from communication and space and basic idea of computer, only this much, nothing out from this. Then the last one is statistical analysis, graphs and diagrams. This is statistics. The questions from statistics you will get in the GS paper 2. So these are whole about the syllabus of OPSC mains general studies paper 1 and paper 2. Thank you.